It's been less than 100 days since Gemini 3 entered the AI battlefield. And in AI time, that's basically a century. Google first dropped Gemini 3 Flash, then Gemini 3 Pro, and now we have Gemini 3.1 Pro. But here's the real question. Is this just a minor patch update, or is this Google quietly injecting deep think intelligence into the Pro model? Today, we're breaking this down architect to architect. Benchmarks, RL improvements, thinking modes, real demos, and what this means for the AI ecosystem. Why 3.1 is a big deal? The naming itself is interesting. Historically, Gemini releases were full versions like 2 and 3, or preview-style iterations like 0.5, dated previews. But 3.1 is the first real one release. That tells us something important. This isn't a preview. This isn't just a fine-tune. This is a performance-level architecture update. And if you look at the timeline, nearly 100 days since Gemini 3 launched, Google has clearly been training, optimizing, and integrating insights from their deep think models. And now, those lessons are inside Pro. Benchmark Jump, the real story. Google compares Gemini 3.1 Pro against Claude Sonnet 4.6, Claude Opus 4.6, GPT flagship models. But the most important comparison isn't external. It's this: Gemini 3 Pro versus Gemini 3.1 Pro. We're seeing massive jumps in humanities reasoning benchmarks, ARC-AGI tasks, coding benchmarks, agentic reasoning tasks. Example: ARC-AGI performance jumped from around low 30% to nearly 77%. That's not incremental. That's reinforcement learning maturity. What this suggests, technically, Google has improved its RL environments, especially for structured reasoning, tool use, agentic search, coding problem solving. This looks like a refined RLHF plus synthetic curriculum training pipeline, and that changes everything. The secret weapon: thinking levels. Here's where things get very interesting. Gemini 3 Pro only had low bulking, high thinking. Gemini 3.1 Pro now includes low, medium, high. This is huge.